In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello workspace. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to expand your existing set of workspaces, this guide is going to walk you through the entire process. Creating a workspace in Trello is straightforward, but let's make sure every step is perfectly clear and easy to follow, so you can start organizing your projects seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to the top right corner of your Trello interface. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. It's here in this menu that you'll see an option labeled Create Workspace. Select this to start setting up your new workspace. This is an essential first step, as creating a workspace allows you to group related boards together and collaborate with others more effectively. Once you've clicked Create Workspace, you'll be prompted to give your new workspace a name. Choose something descriptive and relevant to the projects or tasks you'll be managing within this workspace. Having a clear and unique name can help keep everything organized, especially if you end up with multiple workspaces later on. After naming your workspace, you can choose the type of workspace that best suits your needs. Whether it's for a team, a personal project, or any other category, selecting the right type can help with managing permissions and visibility for your boards. In addition to the name and type, there's an option to add a description for your workspace. While this step is optional, including a description can be helpful, particularly when you're collaborating with others who need to understand the workspace's purpose at a glance. A clear and concise description can set the tone for how you and your teammates will use this workspace. Now that your workspace is set up, you have the option to start inviting members. You might decide to do this immediately if you're eager to get your team involved right away. Inviting members is simple. Just enter their email addresses, and they'll receive an invitation to join your workspace. Alternatively, you can choose to invite people later once you've had time to set up some boards and organize your workspace. It's entirely up to you and what suits your workflow best. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Trello workspace. Congratulations! Setting up a new workspace is the foundational step to unlocking Trello's powerful project management capabilities. By gathering your boards under one roof, you can maintain focus and improve your team's collaboration and efficiency. That's all it takes to get started. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most out of Trello's features. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!